friends, and welcome back. Hello, everybody. Welcome. Second session today. We are going to do problem of the day and work on our listening comprehension with a new story. Hi, Yago. Welcome back. Welcome back. I love that you're here and ready to go, ready to learn. Love it. I hope you're having a good morning. I know I'm so happy the sun is shining. Lots to be thankful for on this Thankful Thursday, right? What are you thankful for? Awesome. So while we're waiting for our friends to join, let's just piggyback off of what we talked about this morning about our thankfulness, and it's Thankful Thursday. What are you thankful for today? Thankfulness keeps us in the right frame of mind. There's a lot to be thankful for. Tell me something that you're thankful for. This morning I talked about how thankful I am for my family, for supporting me and being there for me. That's important, right? Aw, that's so sweet. Logan, I'm thankful you're here. It's so nice having new friends with us. Aw, very sweet. I can't wait to learn with you this morning. So we're just waiting just to let a couple more friends get on with us, give them another minute to get on. We are going to go over yesterday's problem of the day. Hi, Miss Throckmorton. Hi, Lily. Oh, KinderCavs friends, Miss Throckmorton's here. Miss Throckmorton, for those of you who are joining from afar, Miss Throckmorton is my assistant, and I miss her. I'm used to seeing her all day, every day. We have lots of fun together in kindergarten. Teresa and Killian are here too. Hi, Teresa. So awesome. Livia's here. Hi, Livia. Welcome back. Those of you who missed the 9 a.m. session, know you can still revisit it. You can either visit it on the Facebook page or on our YouTube channel. They're all there, dated with what session it is and the skills that we went over. Oh, Miss Throckmorton says she misses everyone. I know, it's so different, but we're gonna make this work for us, right? And we're gonna stay thankful this Thursday. We have lots to be thankful for. So are we ready to go over the problem of the day from yesterday? Some of you guys sent me some great solutions. So here's the problem. This problem was about Brenda. Brenda's a friend in our class. So Brenda has 9 bunnies. She gave 7 away to friends. How many bunnies does Brenda have now? So we always have to make sure that we understand the problem. So where do we start? Oh, yes. And a lot of you knew this. We have to start with the 9 bunnies that Brenda has. So let me show you how I would solve by drawing, understanding that she has 9 bunnies to start. So I'm going to draw quick little 9 bunnies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And notice they don't have to be perfect drawings, a quick little sketch, something simple. So Brenda has 9 bunnies. She gave 7 away to friends. Does that mean she's gonna have less bunnies or more? She's gonna have less. So we need to take some away. And how many are we taking away? Yeah, 7 to her friend. She gave 7 of those bunnies away. So how can I show that she gave 7 of her bunnies away? I could erase them, but then when someone else looks at it, they could say, I don't see how many bunnies she had to begin with. So we always say when we work on paper or dry erase, instead of erasing, show a different way to take away. Maybe it's an X or a slash. So I liked what I saw some of the kids did. They counted out the 7 first, and then they circled it and put a slash through it, or they slashed 7 bunnies. I'm going to cross out 7 bunnies because I know she gave 7 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And sometimes we lose track counting when we're crossing things out. So go back and check your work. Make sure you crossed out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right. So how many bunnies does Brenda have now? Yeah, look. 1, 2. Wow. Okay. Now, how do I write my equation? This is the tricky part for some of us. You're very good at solving with the picture. How do I write the equation? Well, let's go back and say, what did she start with? Brenda started with, 9 bunnies. So we're going to write that right here. She has 9 bunnies. And she gave some away. And you already told me that giving away is taking some away. And is that addition or subtraction? Subtraction. So we're going to use the minus sign, the subtraction sign like this. 9 minus, how many did she give away? 7. 9 minus 7, and what goes here? You all said equals, right? Equals, and then how many are left? 1, 2, half a heart, wearing a shoe. Let's say we make a number 2, and we're not done yet. We need to read our equation, right? Just like we read sentences. Help me. 9 minus 7 equals 2. One more time. 9 minus 7 equals 2. And 2 what? Do we have 2 bananas? No, bunnies. And you can even label it 2 bunnies. Bunnies. Mine just fits on there. 2 bunnies. Awesome job with problem solving. Are you ready to see the next problem? This one has one of our friends' name in it too. You ready for it? Here it goes. Hi, Miss Ebenesia, welcome back. Christian. Christian has 10 trucks. 7 are blue and the rest are orange. How many orange trucks does Christian have? Now remember, before you try to solve, you have to make sure you understand what the problem's asking you. We just don't look for numbers because that's not going to help us, because we have to make sure we understand what it's asking us, all right, before we solve. And then we can draw it, or we can make a model of it and do the math. And then you come up with your equation, okay, which tells us the answer. Good job with today's problem solving. This is tomorrow's. I'll post it on the story. All right, so we're ready to go with that. I have a new book for you today. You may have heard it or heard some like it. And some of you might have noticed it already next to me over here, right? Do you see what book it is? My story today is If You Give a Cat a Cupcake. How cool is that? Hey, we were talking about cupcakes today. We were talking about compound words this morning. Yeah, and another book that we love about cupcakes in our class, Peanut Butter and Cupcake. We give that book 2 thumbs up, right? Boys and girls, we love peanut butter and cupcake. So this story, If You Give a Cat a Cupcake. So I want us to think about a skill that we've been working on. We've been working on retelling all year in kindergarten. We retell stories. Right? We start at the beginning and we go through and retell. Another way to retell is to tell what happens at the beginning, the middle, and the end of the story. Can you say that with me? Beginning, middle, and end of the story. So I want us to be thinking about what happens in the beginning, middle, and end of this story, because I have an activity for you to do at home after we've read it that has to do with beginning, middle, and end, which helps us retell a story. All right, so you ready? If you give a cat a cupcake. If you have a kitty cat at home, say meow. All right, if you give a cat a cupcake. If You Give a Cat a Cupcake, written by Laura Numeroff and Felicia Bond. Oh, look at the kitty on the table. Is your cat allowed on your table? If you give a cat a cupcake, he'll ask for some sprinkles to go with it. And then when you give him sprinkles, he might spill some on the floor. Oh my goodness. So first he got a cupcake, then he wanted sprinkles, and then he spilled the sprinkles on the floor. Cleaning up will make him very hot. So you'll give him a bathing suit and take him to the beach. Oh, I wish I was that cat right now, being carried on a cozy chair in my bathing suit to the beach. How fun would that be? He will want to go in the water and build a sandcastle too. Then he'll look for seashells. He'll find a few other things as well. He'll put them in his pail and try to pick it up, but it will be way too heavy. Pick up something that's really heavy. Pretend you're picking up something heavy. Oh, you're so strong. Good job. So he decides that he needs to work out at the gym. I guess he wants to get bigger muscles. First, he'll warm up on the treadmill, and then he'll lift a weight or two. He might even try a karate class. I bet you some of you can make a text-to-me connection on this page. I know a lot of my Kinder-Cavs friends go to karate class, don't you? That's a text-to-me connection if you go to karate class. After the gym, he'll want to go to the park. When you get there, he'll see the rocks, and he'll climb as high as he can go. And then when he's at the top, he'll see the lake. He'll want you to take him rowing. I see little boats down here at the lake. He'll be the captain, and you will have to row. Is this cat bossy? Oh my goodness. And then he'll notice a merry-go-round, and he'll want to go for a ride. Look, it looks like he looks excited. Maybe he's spinning around on the merry-go-round. His little paws in the air. He'll want you to go for a ride too. You'll choose the horse with the purple mane, and he'll get on the whale. How many of you would have picked the horse, and how many of you would have picked the whale? I think I would have picked the horse. I like to be able to hold on, and I like that the horse has purple hair. The whale will remind him of the Science Museum. He'll ask you to take him there. First, he'll find the dinosaurs. I know my friends love dinosaurs, especially Jack, right? Then he'll visit I want to pause here for a second. I want to make a connection. And I know if Carter's out there listening, he'll correct me because he knows like every single dinosaur. I'm pretty sure that I can make a connection, a text-to-text connection like we were working on the other day. I'm pretty sure that this dinosaur is a pteranodon. And do you remember when we read Dinosaurs Before Dark from the Magic Treehouse series? There was a pteranodon in that book named Henry. Do my friends remember that? So that's a text-to-text connection. Pteranodon named Henry, and there's a pteranodon dinosaur in this book. I hope I got the right dinosaur. I think it is, though, with the horn, and he flies. Carter will let me know if I got it right. All right, so he visited the dinosaurs. Then he visited the Hall of Apes. Ooh, that looks cool. When the museum closes, you'll be the last to leave. On the way home, you'll pass by the beach. You'll help him gather all of his things. That's a lot of stuff to bring to the beach. Do you bring a lot of stuff to the beach? We don't like to bring a lot of stuff to the beach. We ride our bikes, and if you can't carry it, it doesn't go with you. Then he'll want to race you. When you get home, he'll empty the sand from his shoes and he might spill some on the floor. Uh-oh, how many of your moms would be upset if you did this? Look, he's getting sand all over. Seeing the sand on the floor will remind him of the, do you remember back to the beginning what was all over the floor? Yeah, the sprinkles. And he'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if you give him sprinkles, what do you think's going to happen next? He'll want a cupcake to go with them. Oh my goodness. Did you like that story? It's like, did you give a moose a muffin, right? Did you give a cat a cupcake? Now remember, I told you that I wanted you to think about what happened at the beginning, the middle, and the end of the story. Okay, so I want you to take a piece of paper today, plain piece of paper, and you're going to fold it like a hot dog, and then you're going to fold it in thirds, in and in like this. Okay, and you can have a parent help you. So when you open it up, you have 6 boxes. So now Miss Kavanaugh wrote on hers because I want to show you what to do. If you look at the top boxes, I have beginning, middle, and end. And you can see I demonstrated on the first one. I want you to draw a picture of what happened in the beginning of the story, a picture of what happened in the middle, and a picture of what happened at the end. After you're done drawing a picture of what happened using detail, make sure your picture tells what's happening, right? With detail, and you can even color it really nice. Underneath, in the box underneath, you're going to write a sentence. So here's Miss Kavanaugh's example. In my picture, I drew the kitty cat and I drew the girl and the cupcake because the whole book in the beginning started with her giving the cat a cupcake. So I did my lines and wrote my words. The girl gave a cat a cupcake. Okay, in my neatest handwriting. And then I'm going to do my middle picture, what happened in the middle, and write about it, and my end and write about it. And then we have what happened in the beginning, middle, and end of the story. How cool is that? I can't wait to see your work. I can't see what you do. So if you don't have a plain piece of paper or construction paper, you can use your green journal. You could do it on a dry erase board if you're stuck. But if you have paper, it would be nice for you to be able to keep something like this because your artwork and your sentences are awesome. You guys are so good at this. And we do a lot of the pictures and the writing about the pictures during writing at school, right? I can't wait to see it. Beginning, middle, and end of the story. If you give a cat a cupcake. I can't wait to see. I'm so happy you joined us again today. Don't forget to do your problem of the day. Today's problem of the day was about our friend Christian. Awesome. Also, we've been working on being a helper at home. So my friends have been telling me all the things they're doing to help at home. If you want to send me a picture of how you're helping at home or tell me, that would be awesome. I'd love to share it on our story. So far, I've gotten messages from Teresa. She helps with the dishes. Christian's been helping fold laundry. So let me know how else you've been a helper at home. Okay? And remember, it's Thankful Thursday. And if we always think about what we're thankful for, our day will be so much brighter. I hope everybody has a bright, sunshiny day and gets outside today, enjoys some fresh air and some vitamin D to make our body strong and healthy. Okay, and I will see you back tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Love you all. Thank you for joining. My friends from near and far, Miss Throckmorton. I see I didn't give a shout out to Olivia. I don't think. Hi, Olivia. I'm so happy Miss Adonisio is here joining us. I just love you all. And I'm so thankful you're here with us. And I will see you in the morning. Bye. Mwah, mwah.